Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Iain Campbell and today we're going to be discussing GoPro accessories. For the past couple months, I've slowly been releasing raw POV clips from last year that I just have on my hard drive. And I have been getting so many questions asking me about what accessories I use, what settings I use on the GoPro, and exactly how I'm getting certain shots that I get. Now, for the most part, I have been using GoPro products. I've had the 5, the 7, and the 8 now. And it is just such a versatile little camera. It's really small, super light, and extremely easy to attach to a board or to an accessory that you can use in the water. Recently, I have been out of the water for a long time, but getting into the water again, I have started to use a newer version of a mount that I had in the past. So in the past I was using a mount. I will try and find a photo of it. It broke, but it was just literally like 2 pieces like that you would put into your mouth, and it wasn't too comfortable because the rubber slipped off it and it just wasn't really working too well. I then decided that I would look at another mouth mount to use, and I found the GoPro mouth mount. GoPro have now put out a mount that you can use in your mouth. And this for me is the best angle that you can get on a bodyboard without using poles or any extra accessories that you would need. So basically, this is the mount that I use the entire time to film all those POV, all the raw POVs that I've been doing, as well as majority of the GoPro stuff that I've done in the past. I have used this mount. Now, this mount is very different to the one that I used before. It allows the camera to sit quite close, almost like on your chin, so you're getting quite a good angle of the first person view that you would get. I've used this for about 1.5 years now, and to say that it works better than the other ones would be an understatement. It's so nice, it's really comfortable in the mouth. You know, you're biting down on it the whole time, so you want something that's kind of soft and a little bit pliable, and this is the one. This really works super well. I do have a string that I attach to it. I attach this to the mouth mount underneath the screw, so it actually holds in the GoPro while you're surfing. In the past, I used to attach it to the actual housing, but because the new Hero 8 doesn't have a housing, I have opted to put it in there. And the idea behind that is, even if this breaks, the screw is probably the strongest part, so that is the part that's going to be holding on with the greatest amount of force, and that will allow the GoPro to actually stay attached to the string, and then the string attached to my wetsuit or to my leash or wherever I can wear it in all these different conditions. So basically how it works is I would take this little mount here, I would attach the GoPro facing the opposite way and screw it in. And then once it's all screwed in and tight, I tilt it ever so slightly up so that it has kind of that effect on it. And then what I would do is place that in my mouth and start filming. So that's the angle you would get. It's very cool. It's something completely different. I've just had a lot of people asking me, you know, how I get those shots and how I get certain shots in the water, and that is it. It's a real cheap and inexpensive way to get a mount that works well and gives you a really cool angle. Especially with these cameras, you can change the field of view so that it's extremely wide, and that really picks up a lot of that view, and you can actually start to see a lot of stuff going on in the Wave, which you might have missed in the past. I have dropped the links to the mouth mount as well as the GoPro that I use. These are affiliate links, so I am going to get a percentage of this if you guys decide to buy these on my affiliate links. But that is it for the GoPro mouth mount and how I get some pretty awesome shots. So if you guys are interested, please go check it out in the link below. Hit that like button, give the channel a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.